being in the bathtub?
Yeah.
Do you want some toys?
Yeah.
Here, have a bus. Put Mom in the tub too.
You want the color book?
In the tub?
No.
Can't have a book in the tub.
You want you want the tools?
Yes, tools would be good. Ooh. Mom has a wrench.
You want some water on?
Yes. Will you turn the water? Oh, thank you.
In the hammer?
Whoa. Are you getting in the tub?
Yeah. It's me in the bathtub.
You're in the bathtub.
I want the top.
No. He's silly. I'm pouring water over your head.
No.
No.
You want something else?
Sure.
You want a marker?
A marker? Not in the tub.
This? This one?
Oh, sure. The Monica.
And it come in the no.
Don't put the remote in the tub.
No.
Something fell out of the tub.
Mommy said no.
Your mommy said no?
Mommy said no.
No. Splashing.
Get it.
Can Ian get it?
I can't.
I think you can.
I can't.
You can't reach?
Can't. The pants? The pants?
Sure.
Okay.